Fabricator's Chair. Today we have my man Philip here. Come on with us, man, to do some awesome interior. And I'm trying to get him to talk to us about how he started in the business and what kind of stuff he brings to the table for A3 Customs. Philip, what's up, man? What you got? AKA Spider here, guys.
Thank you, Gary.
Nickname is Spider.
So, we recently just moved here from San Diego to North Carolina, probably about 5 months ago.
Right.
I was doing upholstery out there for almost 15 years, went to college for it, San Diego Community College, and got certified for it, got 3 certifications, decided to do a little bit of painting, and got paid doing upholstery while I was doing painting pretty well, so I jumped back over to upholstery and continued that out.
Cool.
Yeah, so I did a lot of that there. We were vendors for Harley Davidson, some other custom shops, Yamaha, a lot of stuff, pretty high-end stuff that we were doing there in San Diego.
It's pretty nice, man. And
Yeah.
everybody knows around here, if you're a car guy in North Carolina, and I think I told you this.
Yeah.
But if you're a car guy in North Carolina, us poor boys always want to go there and build cars because they're cool cars and they do cool stuff.
That's where the coal turns into diamonds.
And then we get this recovering Californian that comes out here. Well, it's amazing that he come on with us, man, and it was kind of weird. I was building it really wasn't weird. It was God's intervention. Here's the truth. But I was building a C10 truck, and I had some seats done on a previous build, and I had to go to Tennessee to get them done. And I didn't feel like driving, and I was in a crunch time trying to get this thing to the C10 show. And anybody that's seen our videos, they see that they've seen the truck. And so I just called randomly in the phone book, and there's nobody in the area really that does interior. I mean, they do interior, but it's not like high-end quality like I would kind of want done. And so I called some people, and it's like, yeah, I can't get to you for 6 weeks. I can't get to you for 3 months. I'm a year out, whatever.
We knew we stood out here.
Yeah, and then I called, this guy here, and he's out of Apex Leather. He was Apex, I think. Apex.
So our brand.
I looked on there, and I seen some motorcycle seats, and I said, yeah, he's probably going to be the guy, but I'm going to call and see. And then he's like, sure, man, I can get to you. I said, well, when can you get to me? He said, bring them on out. And I said, well, how long do you think it'll take? And I asked all these questions before I even finished the conversation with him. And he's like, yeah, bring it on. I can get it like 7 days. And I'm like, 7 days? Like, we're making it happen. So I said, I'll be out there. So I went out to his place and
had a good meeting.
He had a really nice shop, really new. It's a brand new shop, a nice shop, and it was at his parents' home, but it was a really nice place. And I seen the setup, and I was like, well, this is probably the guy. And it was different because he had all the stuff that the custom shops would have. If you walk into a regular custom shop, a lot of times, you'll have stuff. And I'm not knocking anybody in this area for custom work.
Yeah.
But usually you can tell the people that deal with high-end leathers and high-end custom builds and like really nice 69 commercials. I'm talking about bigger builds. And I seen this, and he said, yeah, I can knock it out of the park. So I showed him what I kind of wanted. And man, like anywhere else, I'll be real with you, and I think I told you, I was kind of skeptical. I was like, hey, let's do this.
Yeah, and I've seen a lot of the skepticism in the industry and the people that work in the industry.
He built this seat, and I'm telling you, man, this is the guy.
So
then I said, well, and then it was my fault because then I added other stuff to the truck. The truck would have been done. But I thought, man, if he could do the seats, what about a custom center console? So then we fabbed up a custom center console and took it out there to him. Man, he knocked it out of here. Then, by this time, we're trying to pitch everything else, and he's done some other work for me. And I said, hey, dude, it's time for us for me to try to get you.
About our third meeting.
About the third meeting.
My place there.
Third meeting, and I said, man, I need you. He said, man, I'll help you out, whatever. I said, I got all these cars here. I've always turned customers away that has interior. I said, y'all gonna have to get your seats done somewhere else, your upholstery done somewhere else. And he's like, man, yeah, I'll help you in the way I can. So then he's like, I'll just kind of, and I know this is kind of a talk about the merger too. Like he said, I'll kind of put my stuff on the side because you have that, and I will, because he just moved here.
Right.
And he's like, hey man, I'll come on beside you and we'll work together and we'll do this, do this entity with interior, and it'll bring it into here. And it also gives our customers something more for to look at. They can come in a one-stop shop, and that's kind of where we're at.
It worked perfect.
Worked
it
great.
Was a great puzzle piece we put together.
So we got to talking about it, and then next thing I know, he says, hey, I just need to get me a place one day. I need to get me a place. I said, you got a place. Don't worry about it. Come on down to A3 Customs. We're going to set you up.
Yep.
So I set him a place up in the building up here, man, and he's going to be in the heat and air. Everything's going to be climate controlled for him.
Got a beautiful spot, top level.
Man, and that's the good
Our
thing.
machines,
And
all
I
of our
found out,
work.
well, see, I'd have to run across town to get something made. So now, you know, like there was some stuff on the seat.
We are
Actually,
here now.
he come down
Spider!
the steps, made
Spider!
it. He come down and made it, put it back on the truck. Next day I come in, I said, "Hey, did you make it?" He said, "Man, done." I went over there, you couldn't even tell. I mean, it was like beautiful.
That's what we want.
And so now it's a whole new level on the custom world. And I'm just so blessed to have him.
Kind of a touch at the finger now.
Yeah, and I'm just so blessed that God, you know, put us together and put our paths across, man, because we've been needing an upholstery guy since we started. That was one of my biggest fears, being able to find somebody. And I hate to have to go out of town to get somebody.
I truly believe God put us together too.
Yeah.
Like perfect time, perfect moment.
Perfect
it was
everything.
landed.
And so now we have, you know, like the entities, we had another video y'all can watch that we told you all we had and what all we had to offer. But now in 2026, and we've had some this year, but 2026 is going to be a bigger year. And now that we have a full upholstery shop, man, the sky's the limit. And we can do your upholstery. It doesn't matter if you're working a car here. If you just need upholstery work done, and you're just coming across our video and you're like, "Hey man, I got a seat I need fixed," run it by and see me. And
hey, let's not forget either boats.
Oh,
There's
yeah,
some
yeah.
really awesome motorcycle seats.
Absolutely.
Don't be scared to bring
yeah,
that
motorcycle
either.
seats, boats.
Talk to Gary.
Just come see me, and I'll do a spider, and we'll get you get it together. It takes a little bit to get it because we got to figure out material list, and you got to call about the stuff because we don't keep nothing in stock. Although we are going to start keeping some colors in stock, but there's so many different varieties.
A lot of what we do is special order.
Right, we have to order
have.
it. So just if you do that, just keep in mind that everything will be a custom. And then this Friday, we're supposed to meet with the people at Apex Leathers that does the really high-end show car builds and get
Bring
them in
some
here.
really cool CNC designs and patterns to it.
And that's going to be a whole nother level. So we're super happy, man. We're super proud of what's going on here at A3. Like I said, with the merger, the name change, all the stuff that's going on, man, it's really starting to shape up.
We're climbing.
Just want to tell you, man, you know, guys, is the next thing, you know, I kind of want to mention, again, it's timelines. I mean, just getting people to work, you know, that's the big thing. I mean, I've had to struggle with finding people to work, and all my customers kind of know that, and it's really not an excuse, but it is what it is. I mean, you've had that. I mean, it's you and your wife. I mean, you and your wife's doing it. I mean, and really, he has enough work. Like he could really probably put somebody on and stuff. But
definitely.
But man, and he's here at 8, 9 o'clock at night too. Like he's here, you know, 8 or 9 o'clock at night. Of course, you know, we don't take customers till after, you know, after 5. But your stuff's going to get turned around pretty quick. Even if you have like a seat, like a regular seat, or like you said, boat seats, or anything like that you need done. That's, you know, and honestly, we'll pretty much try anything. Like if you get something, you're like, "Hey, I'm building this. I got this, and it's an idea." If you can put it in my mind to where we can come out and we can generate it on paper.
At some point in our growth, we took on every job and anything back in San Diego.
Oh yes.
So I can promise you, we have done things that you can't even think of.
It's
here.
a no zone around here. It's like we don't try to tell people no.
Stuff. Yeah.
But yeah, man, I'm so happy he's here now, and like I said,
really
we got a
appreciate
place.
it.
And like I said, we're moving up. And
really, the whole team here too is just wonderful.
We do got a good team.
Yeah.
We got some good faithful guys, just don't have a lot of them, and it's kind of hard to spread them around. But yeah, we've had a lot going on. I do want to mention shout out to a friend, the Crochet Chic. I want to say we're gonna have to get him another beanie, but I got my beanie. And I love it.
Can I get one in black?
Man, we're getting some. We're gonna start stocking these things.
Yeah.
Man, she knocked us out the park. So my daughter's friend, she went down there, and I told my daughter don't come back without it, you know, because she's gonna be homeless if she don't have to bring me a beanie. But no, just kidding. But she brought this beanie back, and I said, man, this is awesome. So now we're gonna put the A3 logo on, and I just couldn't wait to show them off, man. I just couldn't. But we'll have these things, and then
she did a great job.
Oh man, she makes it super warm. And she makes the ones that folds like this too. And we put an order in with her, so we're gonna have some on hand. So this will be in our store, or be in the front office. But yeah, man, these things are awesome.
Different color variations you got too?
Huh? Yeah.
Different colors?
Yeah. Blacks, grays, greens, any colors you want.
Sweet.
We're gonna stock, but we're gonna start. You know, like I said, we're gonna start stocking these things. So we'll have them.
They're all custom. She makes those all by hand.
They're all hand by hand. This girl, I mean, she's crocheting all day. It's all day making these things.
Work.
So
she need a job. I could hire.
I don't know, man. She's doing pretty good making these things. She's got
might talk to her. Might be making crochet.
You can't crochet.
Spider.
No, we ain't crocheting seats. But anyway,
That's not up my alley.
yeah, but no,
Don't
man.
bring any crocheting.
Yeah,
to
don't
me.
bring. So link below on the Facebook page. You'll be able to find that, man, and we're going to show you some new stuff coming up. We ended up getting a burn table working on programs right now. In the future video, we're fixing to do a new one on that CNC table, so we're going to do some video of that, and then we're going to show you some products we're going to be making off that table, along with some of the parts we're going to be making for some of the cars. And now we don't have to buy stuff; we can make it in
Lots of CNC stuff.
a lot of CNC stuff starting to shape up right here at A3 Customs, man. And like I said, it's just a good feeling that we have people in house that's now wanting to work. It's like I said, we just don't have a lot of them, and you know, we're just trying to cover all our bases. So yeah, man, Spider's awesome. Just won't you come see us and bring us some stuff.
We'll see you guys soon.
Please hit the like and subscribe button. We need you, man. We need the content. We need the followers. We need to grow this channel, and we're gonna do some technical videos too. So like, I'm gonna bring him back when we do something like he finds a problem with a seat or he starts doing some stitching something. He's gonna bring some stuff up.
Show some cool new designs.
Yeah, we're gonna come in here, lay it out.
Yeah.
He can explain what's going on. We can go from there. He's already shot a video with us already. But man, I mean, we're gonna continue doing that. Keep showing you what we're at. So
yeah. Proud of you guys. Glad to be here.
This thing's really good.
To the moon.
I'm super excited about the upholstery because I'm
super excited about the upholstery.
I'm
in a hot rod shop.
I have a lot of rotten seats I need to get fixed, so I need to get this man on my stuff. Just unfortunately, I ain't got time to get my own stuff done. But that being said, guys, if you have anything, on a serious note, if you have anything you need to get done, doesn't matter what it is, don't hesitate. If it's stock, excuse me. Excuse me. You have to edit that. Anyway, hey, if it's stock,
Redbull.
yeah, if it's stock, we can build it. So don't run away and say, hey, I can't get anything because it's stock and they don't work on my regular stock seats. We can do that, do boat seats, anything.
Chairs, rips, repairs.
Doesn't matter. We'll fix it. This man's good, I promise. So if you want to, like and subscribe to this channel. And then once it gets so many views, y'all start hyping that thing, man. If it comes on, we were good to go. So again, Spider's down here making dreams happen. So we love y'all.
Link below.
Yep, we love y'all. Thank you again from the Builder's Chair. Peace.